Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I find out one YouTube channel and the YouTube channel you can see here what kind of content we have in this YouTube channel. Okay, so organize this channel running by the Pius girl. Okay, and junior developer are dead. You can see here first thumbnail of video. Junior developer are dead. Git is dead. You can see here REST API is dead and Docker is dead. JWT is dead. REST Reg is dead. Guys, everything is dead by Pius Garg. Okay. So why he's mentioned these kind of things in his videos? So is everything in tech dead? The truth about AI hype. So Git is dead, Docker is dead, junior developer are finished. At this point, it feels like the entire tech industry dead last week. But is any of this actually true, or just YouTube hype? So recently, you might have seen a lots of video claiming that everything in tech become useless, from coding tool to developer job. Everything is apparently dead. Even the computer is dead, keyboard is dead, everything is dead. So in this video, let's break down the truth. Okay, so the main reason behind these title, okay, main reason behind this title is AI. Okay, AI are getting powerful. They can write the code, debug, even build app. So people assume if AI can do it, human are no longer needed. But the only half the story. But that's the only half story. Okay, so he's mentioned Git is no. Git is dead. Developer is junior developer is dead. API is dead. Token is dead. So Git is not dead. Docker is not dead. API are definitely not dead. What actually happening is this? So technology is evolving. Instead of replacing developer, AI is changing how developer work. So the tool are not dying, they are evolving. Okay, so here is the uncomfortable truth. Low skill or repeated work is disappearing. If your job is something AI can easily do, then yes, you are at risk. If your job is something AI can easily do, then your job, you are at the risk. But skill developer, they are more valuable than ever. Okay, so let's be honest, a title like this, XY is dead, are designed to grab the attention. Okay, these kind of title are designed to grab the attention. Fear equals to click. Okay, if you have fear, then you are you click on this video, these kind of videos, and click the views. So most of these videos are not about the truth, they are about the attention. Okay, he just want to seek the attention. That's why he mentioned API is dead, token is dead, junior developer is dead, AI is dead, everything is dead by him. Piyush Gar. Okay, so no tech is not dying. Okay, but the way we work in the tech is changing fast, and the real question is not is this tool dead. The real question is, are you improving your skill fast enough? Okay, if you want real no hype tech content, okay, subscribe to the channel. If you want real no hype this kind of content, okay, and subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. Nothing is dead, everything is alive. Okay, so don't believe these kind of YouTubers, or don't need to click on these kind of videos. Okay, so check his YouTube channel, Pius Garg. Okay, he has 1 lakh views, 2 lakh views on every video, because everything is died. He mentioned tech is dead, junior developer is dead, API is dead, token is dead, reg is dead. According him, everything is dead. He is the only one who is who is living in this world. Okay, so don't believe these kind of thumbnail, and don't need to watch these kind of videos. Okay, he just seeking the attention. He want to grab the attention. Okay, and he want to create video by mentioning these kind of thumbnail. Okay, bye bye, take care. I forget what I'm saying.